right, we made it to Siesta Key in style, thanks to this 2020 Mazda CX-5 from Mazda of Wesley Chapel. This car has Napa leather seating, predictive all-wheel drive, plus a 5-star safety rating. And today, we're gonna learn exactly what it takes to become a sand sculpting master.
Sandventure is a professional sand sculpting company. We do anything from small parties to large events. We do almost anything where we can use sand sculptures to attract attention and crowds.
Our lessons are generally 2 hours long. They begin with a hands-on lesson where I teach them the basics of sand sculpting. And hopefully at the end of the 2-hour session, we have a postcard-worthy photograph that many people use for their Christmas or holiday cards. We bring everything. All you've got to bring is sunblock and something to drink.
Water really does matter when it comes to sand sculpting. It is the glue that holds things together.
The wetter, the better.
I've been sand sculpting for 13 years and professionally, and I think, Andy, what, 10?
I've been sand sculpting professionally for 10 years, and that's kind of hard to believe considering I grew up on this beach.
When it comes to sand sculpting, the finer the sand, the better, and this is the finest beach sand in the world. You know what? We have never, ever had a negative response to our sand sculpting. I mean, it's just like these families that come out here. They don't know what it's going to be like, but they always seem to have a great time.
The art of sand sculpting, it grabs you. Once you do it, once you get involved in it, it's something that you're going to want to do every time you go to the beach for the rest of your life.
If you think about it, sand sculpting is the only art form where everybody looks at it the same way, whether you're 2 or 92. People are all amazed in the same way. It's an incredible art form.
Our giant adventure continues.
And living in the Sunshine State means adventure all year long.
Your auto giant will put you on the road to the best spots. Mention Taste and See, and I'm gonna give you $1,000 in bonus cash. Here you go.
Let's hit the road.
It'll be giant.